First working set natin po, we'll be working your biceps, cervical, and then yung gastrocs natin. So, kailangan natin yung dumbbells. Set natin siya ng 5 to 15 pounds or 10 to 15 pounds muna tayo. So, check natin yung form and execution. So, ganito yung gusto natin. Slide bend sa knees, butt, konting naka-push sa likod ng konti. Chest out, shoulders back, then lift and down. Okay? So, make sure elbows malapit sa katawan. Then, kunin na natin yung dumbbells natin. Alright? Like so. Chest up, shoulders back. Alright? Now, shoulders natin up, back, slide down towards your spine. Alright? Tapos, yung kamay, pakita natin yung kamay pala. Yung kamay pala is, yan, facing forward, then all the way up. Alright po? So, ganyan yung motion natin. And then, check yung elbows malapit sa katawan. Hindi naka-open, hindi rin naka-twist po. So, delikado sa shoulders natin yan. So, lift, exhale, inhale down. So, exhale, inhale. And then, avoid yung swinging by contracting yung abdominals natin. Keep grounded. One more thing pala, paa po. Right under your hips. Okay? Not too wide. Syempre, hindi super narrow. Alright? Keep it like this para steady yung base natin. Exhale, inhale down. So, let's try to do your bicep curls. Strict up. Chest out, shoulders back. So, exhale, inhale down, exhale, all the way up. Alright, so pakita ko yung profile. Side natin. Alright. Hindi tayo nagsuswing. Hindi nagpo-forward and back yung elbows natin. Keep it locked. So, exhale up, inhale down. Exhale up, inhale down. Alright. So, we'll be doing this for 12 repetitions. So, 12 na bicep curls. Right after nun, hawak lang natin tong dumbbells po. Breather. Ganun lang. Tapos, calf raises tayo. Up and down. Okay. Working your calves, yung gastrocs natin. Titingkad tayo. Up, all the way up. Exhale. Inhale down. So, this is your active recovery. Same counts po, 12 repetitions. So, ang tawag natin dyan, sir, is superset. So, working your biceps, then right after, working your gastrocs, walang rest natin. After nito, 30 to 60 seconds lang. So, that will be your first set, and then 4 times natin gagawin, bali 4 sets po. Alright, so that's your first working set, bicep curls, and calf raises.